In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive in offline mode on a computer. If you travel, work on the go, or deal with spotty Wi-Fi, offline mode lets you keep working without a connection. You'll prepare the files while you're online, and then access them later even when the internet drops. Start by opening your web browser and going to drive.google.com. Sign in to your Google account so Drive can recognize you and sync your files. A stable connection right now helps everything download smoothly. Next, locate the file you want to use offline. You can browse your folders or use the search bar at the top to find a specific document. Offline mode is designed for Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides files, so those are the best ones to prepare. Once you've found the file, right-click it to open the Options menu, then click Make Available Offline. You'll usually see a small indicator or checkmark appear, which means Drive is saving a copy to your device. Leave your browser open for a moment so the file can finish syncing. Larger files or long documents can take a little longer, so be patient. Repeat this process for any other docs, sheets, or slides you want to access without an internet connection. Focus on the files you actually need, because offline copies take up some local storage. If you change your mind later, you can return to the file and turn off offline availability to free up space. When you're offline, you have two easy ways to get to your synced files. You can open your browser and go back to drivegoogle.com. Drive will show you the files that are available offline. Or you can go directly to the Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides apps in your browser and open your offline documents from there. You'll be able to view and edit those files as usual. Any changes you make will be saved locally and then automatically uploaded to Drive the next time your computer reconnects to the internet, so there's no need to manually sync. Just keep in mind that real-time collaboration won't work while you're offline, and you may not see updates from others until you're back online. That's all you need to confidently work with Google Drive when the internet isn't available. Prepare your key files in advance, watch for the offline indicator, and you'll be ready to keep moving no matter where you are. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.